People got a lot of opinions, and sometimes people have opinions about you, and they let you know. And you're stuck with thinking, is that true? I'm not quite sure. Well, this can be an experience of gaslighting. If you are doubting whether or not something is true, and you're more confused about yourself, your identity, your personality, your characteristics, all of that, then I've got an essential oil for you to help you to go through that, to figure it out, to digest and dissolve the ideas that are untrue within your reality. My name is Desiree DeLune. I'm an acupuncturist, herbalist, and essential oil expert. Here we talk all things chi, help you turn chaotic chi into harmonious chi so that you can live in your fullest expression. Littia is an essential oil that warms the interior. It's part of that category of herbs, and it enters as the essential oil the lungs, spleen, liver, and kidney organs. Now, it has the ability to stimulate our yin essences, the essences of who we are, as well as liberate and free this pathological chi, this parasitic type chi that is in our energy field. Littia is no joke. This is a very, very potent essential oil when you're grappling with what's right and true for you. If you're grappling with another person's opinion, another person's judgment, and it is messing you up, wondering if you are intuitive or if you are discerning. So if you're experiencing tremendous levels of self-doubt, and confusion about your own identity, then this is going to clean up that muck. Now, I love this in the diffuser. You can put this in the diffuser with some Siberian fir or some white fir or even tea tree. Those couple of pairings will work beautifully if you feel like you are experiencing being gaslit. Just take 2 drops of each essential oil, whichever pairing you choose, either Littia with Siberian fir or Littia with the white fir or Littia with tea tree. In any of those pairings, just put 2 of each or even 3 of each would be fine. I'm just saying do equal parts because the other essential oil, the other one that goes with the Littia, is only going to strengthen its cleansing, clearing properties. For me personally, I've been going through some kind of breakout, some kind of personal uprising, throwing all kinds of spiritual tantrums, and letting go finally of these old disempowering, beliefs that I've had about myself. And this combination, using Littia with one of those essential oils, have truly helped me to break away entirely, cleanly, without feeling anchored down or still in the middle of it, right? It's a nice, clean breakup with the old version of myself. And I diffuse it for about a week. A week is quite sufficient. Sometimes it might take a few days. Everybody's going to be different, but week is generally a good amount of time to experience some beautiful results. The reality is, people are always going to provide an opinion. You will always get unsolicited advice from someone in our life, and it may be true and it may be untrue. But if you're kind of, I'm not quite sure, and you feel a little squirmy in your body about something that someone said to you, about you, then just pop this in the diffuser and you'll rectify it internally, because with this warming nature of it, it's going to burn up anything that is not relevant to you. If you love this content, make sure to hit like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified when a new video is up every week. I also recommend checking out this other video I did about the 3 reasons why someone would get sick, energetically speaking. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.